we're unboxing some surprises from Google. So what we have here is the new Google Pixel Slate, the Pixel Slate keyboard, and a new black Pixelbook pen. First things first, this is the Pixel Slate. In the box we have some literature. Get to know your Pixel Slate. This is the charging material, similar to what you get from the Pixelbook. And look, they've bundled a dongle for your headphone because this doesn't have a headphone jack. This is the Pixel Slate. Here's the fingerprint sensor that serves as the power button. Very subtle monogram G on the back, flat back, no screws anywhere. There's a USB-C port, pogo pins for the keyboard accessory, and I suppose these are the volume buttons. So this has two USB Type-C ports. So I would say this feels about the same weight as a 12.9-inch iPad Pro. It's well balanced. I quite like the look of it. So the Pixel Slate is running Chrome OS, and it identifies as a Chromebook, which it is in tablet form. So when you sign in to the Pixel Slate the first time, it asks you to set up your fingerprint. It's quite fast. So this is the Pixel Slate keyboard. Actually, for me, it is possibly the more exciting item. Looks keyboard, and I expect this to be just as good. So Google says they've designed these to be easier to touch, easier to type on. They're round, so round keyboard keys have been around for quite a long time. Typewriters usually had round keyboard keys, so it should be interesting to see how it works out. The keyboard is one thing, the trackpad is another. I think it's an excellent add-on to give you a more PC or notebook-like experience on a tablet. So, let's put this bad boy to the test. Yeah. It automatically connects. Good to go. See, if you're familiar with Chromebooks or the Pixelbook in particular, these keys will be familiar to you. I just signed in and it's already transferred all my most used apps on my Pixelbook, so I'm good to go. I can continue working on whatever I was working on, and I think that's super cool. Last but not the least is the new Pixelbook pen. So this is an ideal tool for people who like to draw, if you like to ink documents as well. I don't know if I have to install the battery. So the pen requires super rare and super small and thin quadruple A battery. There you go. Let's go open some websites. So my first impressions of the keyboard. Has good response, nice travel. The round keys are going to be something to get used to, but they seem to have more space to type. So I also want to test to see if this is lappable. You can use it on your lap during meetings or press conferences, or is it strictly a tabletop solution? There's no way to raise this like with the Surface. Closes conveniently as such. It's good to go. So that's been. Well, thanks for watching.